Okay, so in today's workshop, probably it may get extended to the next one also, depends on how fast we can move. Okay, what we will do,
Sir,
yeah,
please wait for just 1 second, 1
okay,
minute.
okay,
Yeah, sir.
okay. So in this workshop, we are going to build a game. So more or less, we will now start building some games as such. Okay, all right, that is where the fun is. So we will have a paddle. Okay, this paddle will go right and left. Okay,
Okay.
then we will have a ball. This ball will bounce anywhere it want. Okay, then we will have some bricks over here with me.
Yeah.
Then when this ball is going to hit this brick will fall or will disappear. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will have some treasure over here. Somewhere over here, we'll put some treasure. Okay. This
Okay.
is what I am thinking right now.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Karan.
I have made a game like this, but I have not put bricks in this. Can I show?
We will build it now, right? So that time you can do it, right? Okay.
So I'll do editing on that game only or
Yeah,
start a
sure.
new one.
It's up to you as such. Okay.
Paddle.
Right. So again, I'm repeating, we will have a paddle. There would be a ball. The paddle will move to right and left only. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will have some bricks. And these bricks are something which Karan will tell Sagarika where to put it. So we'll have 10 bricks in total. Okay. So
Okay.
these all are bricks. Then we will have a treasure somewhere over here. Treasure could be a yellow color ball or something color gold. Okay.
What
Then
about the
we will,
diamond?
okay, diamond, we'll put diamond. Okay. Then the competition is whosoever ball is going to hit this particular diamond in the shortest amount of time will win. That means we'll have a timer.
Okay.
You guys with me?
Yeah.
So, so each one of us are going to code, okay, for the paddle, for the ball, and for the brick. The brick placement and the placement of the treasure is something which will be decided by the other person. So someone may place this treasure over here also, okay?
Okay.
Okay, someone, and that has decided by the other two people, and also the brick placement. The total number of bricks would be 10. Okay,
Okay.
Divija, any question? Yes, no,
No, sir, not yet.
you got it.
There is
Okay,
no break in that sprite. We can.
we'll build it, right? We will build that. Okay, okay, Sagarika. So very first thing we have to make a paddle.
Okay.
Okay, so how you'll make a paddle? You will go to Sprite,
Sprite.
Paint
Paddle is there.
is there. Just
Paddle
search.
is there. I got it.
Okay.
Okay, so you found something. Show me the paddle.
Yeah,
Right
I
paddle
did.
there.
Yeah, it's still loading. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Karan. You have used the same paddle?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Then bring it down. There's no need for us to paint for it. Okay. Now, very first thing, Sagarika, this should move right and left.
Okay.
Okay, so how you're going to do that?
Move.
By mouse.
Yeah.
Not by mouse. We'll do it with
Then
keyboard. Mouse would be very easy, right? Or you want to do it? How do you want to move it? Mouse or
mouse. Oh,
okay?
no, no, no. Keyboard is better.
It's up to you. Like if
Keyboard.
and it is your own program now, right? So I want you guys to start sharing your programs with others too. Okay.
Okay.
So if you feel it is mouse, then let's do it mouse. So how to do it?
So, sensing.
Mouse. By mouse are we doing?
So, I
Uh,
think we should use the keyboard one. Yeah,
okay.
it's actually
So
easy.
Okay, so if Karan wants to make mouse, then let him do
No,
mouse.
I am
You
doing
girl,
with keyboard.
you are done with keyboard. Okay. So what you can do, Sagarika, we can go to events.
Ah, that also.
Okay. So there are many ways that you can code it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll say when.
Okay.
So there is a block by name when.
When space key.
Oh, okay. Should I change it?
Yes, yes. When right arrow is pressed.
Right arrow?
Yes, we'll first go to the right, correct?
Yeah.
Then we want to change X by something, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Change X by 10.
So someone can do 25, someone can do 5. It's all up to you. It is your game. Just make sure when you're coding it, your intention is to win this game. Okay, so whoever gets to that particular treasure in the least possible time will win the game.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
चिकन से खा रहे हैं यार ठीक है
So go to motion, Sagarika.
Yeah.
Then there is some change X by,
Yeah.
and then just attach it over there.
So what number? 10 only?
It's up to you. Do you want to move 10 step or you want to move 100 step? It's all up to you.
10 step is better.
Okay, all right. Then then we will add one more for the left arrow.
Okay. So,
Okay. Now can I go to Divija's screen?
yeah.
Control Z.
तो
Yes.
Minus.
Okay, very good, Divija. You know the shortcut also. Okay. All right. Now, Divija, let's do one thing. Let's go to backdrops and let's try to understand what are the X and Y axis. Just search for XY in the backdrops. Okay, select XY grid. Yes, this one. Yes, the one next to it. Let's select this one.
Great.
Okay,
Which one?
so you, Karan, you're there.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what I want you guys to understand is how the screen is divided into X and Y axis. Have you guys read about this so far in your math or not?
Yes.
Who else have not read it?
No,
I read it
I
Okay.
haven't.
in
Okay.
paragraphs. No.
Okay.
Bar
So,
graphs bar.
so what happens, Sagarika, is this is known as X axis. Okay.
Okay.
And this is known as Y axis. Sorry, I could not draw straight. Okay. Now for each X and Y, there is a value. For example, if you place it over here, okay, your ball, then this Y value is minus 100, correct? If this distance we have covered is minus 100 and X
Yeah.
will be 0. So it will be 0, comma, minus 100.
Minus 100.
Okay, so that is our X and Y coordinate. So whenever we were doing
Okay.
go to, if you remember, when we go to motion and we had go to something, right? Can you select this
Yeah.
one? Go to. There's some noise coming. Who is making that noise?
Sir, it's raining here.
Oh, it's raining. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you,
I'll
Divija,
just
can you,
mute myself.
okay. Divija, can you just drag and drop go to?
Sir, can you please repeat?
If you can just drag and drop this go to. Okay. Do not attach it. Just keep it somewhere. Okay. So we want this particular paddle to be always in the middle, right? Can you shift it towards left somewhere? No, it should be, You want it to be middle, right? So that means this is my middle line, correct? So if you just shift it to the left and middle of that, just shift to the more left, just a little bit. That's it. Yeah. So do you think no? It has to divide this paddle into half like this. You with me? Yes. Now it is perfect. Now just notice what is the x coordinate and the y coordinate. 1 and minus. So put it over here. Go to x should be 1 and y should be minus 173. Okay, the reason being when our game starts, we want this paddle to be at this particular position. Okay, everyone with me?
Sir, X should be in what number?
X should be 1,
Okay.
y should be minus 173.
But so I think it will not
Yeah.
be exactly the same with which I have. So I think they have to bring it to the middle.
Uh-huh. Okay, so they can do, yeah, sure.
Then they have to see.
Okay, everyone done this one?
Yeah.
Okay, then put a green flag on top of that. So when we start our game, we want paddle to be at the very center. And now let's test our code. Let's go full screen and test it.
Let
Is
me
it
take it over here to test.
okay? And your right and left is working. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Mine
we
is
will.
working.
Okay. So now,
Sir,
Sagarika, back to
sir,
you.
my left.
Oh,
Sir,
Sir, I didn't get chance.
You are smart, right? I'll come to you later.
No.
I'll come to you. Okay.
sir, mine doesn't go to the left. Oh,
Okay. Let's check that.
I didn't select. No, I
so
didn't select left.
Uh-huh.
when okay sir.
Minus.
Yes, minus.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's go back
Sir,
to
instead
Sagarika.
of mine.
Uh-huh.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I'll come. Divija, you have to stop sharing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Tell me.
No, sir, I fixed it.
Okay. All right. Very nice. Now let's do the next thing. Our paddle will move only on the x-axis, correct?
Okay.
Okay. Everyone has done only 10 steps.
No, 20.
Okay. Good.
I
20
did
is
10.
20. Me too did 20.
20. Okay. But just make sure when you guys are going to play a game, you cannot go and change your program. Okay. Don't change your program at that time. Okay. So just think about it for example. Okay. If now I want you guys to think you have to win the game. If your ball is coming too fast, correct? And if you're moving this very slowly, just 10 step or 5 step, then you will miss hitting the ball. So now think whether it should be 10 or it should be 5 or it should be 50.
50.
In my views, we should do then 15, not 10 also, and then not 20 also.
Okay.
I am doing 20.
Okay. Karan is sticking to 20 and these we'll see whose strategy is going to win. Okay. All right. Okay. But just make sure the paddle size for everyone should be same. Okay. Do not change the paddle size. It should be
So,
100. Yeah.
No.
we are doing minus 15 or 20.
Divija, up to you. So if you are doing x as 20, then do y that x as minus 20 also. Okay. So everyone is writing their own independent code. Okay. You are not copy and pasting it. Okay. All right. Now let's do a ball. Now we will code for ball.
Okay.
Okay. Now go and select next sprite ball.
Okay. Okay, ball.
Okay. Now also when the game start, we want ball to be at the very center, right?
Yeah.
Just keep it up so that you get time to move your paddle,
Here?
right? Yes. Okay. And
Okay.
also make size as 50 as such. Let's make a smaller ball.
Okay.
Everyone done?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now when we are going to start our thing, we want this ball to point somewhere upwards. Okay. If we point it somewhere down, then you will not get time to move it if it immediately comes down, correct? At the very start, we want our ball to move to the top. With
Mm-hmm.
me, Sagarika? Then we have it go to motion, and there will be something called as point in direction. Let's select
Yeah.
point in direction. Okay.
Okay.
And click over here in the 90
Okay.
and pick anything in this particular range. Okay, pick anything in this particular, it should always point up. Whenever the ball starts, it should point up. Okay, so anywhere in this range, you should select it, the angle.
45 degrees
45.
good.
Okay, everyone selected 45. Someone can select minus 30 also, right? Let it go in other direction too. Okay, with me?
We can select 0 also.
0 will go somewhere else, right? Can you click on that again?
Yeah.
Let's click on it again. Okay, can you make it 0?
Yeah.
Okay, so 0 will directly go up, right? So when it
Yeah.
goes directly up, probably you will get less time. If it goes this way, then it may bounce over here, then it will come down. So you will get more time to handle it, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, just give me a second, okay? Just give me 1 second. You guys getting what we are doing?
Yeah.
Just say Kushal also wanted to join. I didn't allow him to join. Just give me 1 second.
So who is Vishal?
Vishal, Kushal would be there. Let's see. Just give me a, just waiting for him and I can admit him. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. So I'm just going to repeat what we have done. We have made for the paddle. Now we are going to code for the ball. Now, very first thing we did, whether we want this ball to go directly up or we want it to go in some other direction. So some of you had chosen this direction. Some has chosen going up. Some may have chosen going over here. Okay, just to make sure the ball should not come down directly. Okay, that's why the very first thing we have done is point in direction.
Okay.
Okay, then now let's proceed. Then after this, we want ball to move certain steps. So let's drag and drop move. Let's drag and drop move. And let's click on both the blocks and see what happens.
Okay. it goes slightly up.
Up, right? For people who have chosen a different direction, then it would have been going in a different directions, right?
Yeah.
We can proceed. Can we proceed? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now let me go to Karan's screen. Hi, Kushal.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Kushal, we just started. We are just doing
Stop
coding for the
sharing.
ball. Okay,
Okay.
so we are making a paddle game, and then we will see who is going to win this game also. Okay, so everyone is coding at their own end.
Okay, sir. How did you get those graph lines and everything?
So graph, let Karan show you. Okay, Karan, if you can explain him like quickly.
Karan, do you connect? So I'm not able to see Karan's screen.
Okay, I'm also not able to see. I'm just waiting for him. So Kushal, there is a backdrop by name XY. If you can select an XY backdrop.
Okay.
In background, yes, we are able to see it.
Okay.
Go to
Okay. Yes.
backdrop.
Okay, Karan. Karan is not there. He
May I show?
dropped off. Okay. Who else can share?
There
Divija.
we go.
Okay, very good. So yours is going -30. Very nice. Now let's make sure when it has to click on the edges, it has to bounce back, right? So now let's have a block over here. If on edge, bounce.
Bounce.
No, it would be again in move, in motion, sorry.
Motion and scroll down.
Okay, very good. Now let's make sure
So,
these two blocks, move 30 and if on bounce, should be in the forever loop. So get a forever block. Someone had a question. Devija, you have to get a forever block from control. No, put point in direction above it. Okay, very good. Now let's test your code. Now let's test your code. What happens? You just have to click in point in direction. Yeah. Okay. Yours is very fast. So makes them move 30 steps. You will lose this game very quickly. Okay. Make it. So now you have to think. Okay. Whether it should be 10 step or 5 steps. If you make it very slow, then your counter will go very fast. Okay. Your timing counter will go fast. You with me, Devija?
Yeah.
Sir, my computer is not working good, so I'll restart it and then come back to you.
Okay. Then once you're back, then I will also tell you. Okay.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Yes, Devija.
we will not code for that ball to come on the starting position.
So, for point
Yes.
in direction, 45 is nice. It's bouncing everywhere. And
Okay.
it comes with the paddle also.
Okay.
And now it's going slowly.
Because you changed the steps, right? That's why.
There will be.
Okay. Now we will make it better. Okay.
Sir, how did you figure out the point in direction?
Point in direction, there was a block in the motion
No, no, no. How did you figure out that it will be -30?
because when you click over there, right? Yeah, she can show it to you. So I wanted ball to go always up. So it can be this way or this way. You with me?
Okay.
Kushal?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, also what we want to make sure, whenever we start this program, okay, the ball should be at a random position. You
It
with
should be
me?
at a random position, not in the middle over here.
Yeah, we either it can be middle or it can be random position. Okay, so let's make it a random position. So again, go to motion.
I think this.
No, we'll not use this. Go to select go to X and go to Y.
Where?
This one. Okay. Now go to this one, operators, and select this one and just drag it over here for the time being. And no, just drag it and let's try to understand what we are trying to do. Okay. We are saying this ball, what we have over here, when we start our program, can be anywhere between this and this point. You with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that means my X value can be minus 150 or it could be plus 150. Okay, it can be between these two values. So over here,
Going here, then it's showing minus 144.
minus 144. Very good. Then let's put minus 144.
Minus 144 and minus 1 and 144.
Okay. Now this random block, let's pick it and put it over here. Okay. Sagarika, you have done that?
Yeah.
Okay. Then this point in direction, okay, we can put it over on the top of this. Point in direction should be the first one.
Okay.
Okay. Karan, you are back. Okay, very good. We have forever. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's put a green flag on over here.
What have we done?
So we have just added two blocks. One is the green and this one the go to X. And let's test it and try to move your paddle also.
And what is inside that
What is? Come again.
and
I think
random?
random. So why we did random was because when the program start, we want ball to start between any of these X values. Okay, that's why I say pick any value of X between these two number, minus 144 to 144 plus.
Sir, it's fun to play with.
But we are only 25% done. Okay.
Okay.
Kushal, you
So we
there?
have to write minus 144 and 144.
Yeah, so you can do minus 130 to 130 also. It's all up to you. It's just that the X axis we are saying. Okay.
So,
Yes, Deveja.
I think
And
when the game should start, it should take 1 second. So, can we put a wait of 1 second?
Wait once. Okay. But then everyone has to put that. Okay. So that we all play the same game.
Yeah.
my
It would be,
Over here and or after point in direction.
okay. Wait of 1 second will be too much. Make it 0.5 probably. And let's check.
it's not bouncing on that pad from that paddle.
We have not coded for it, right? It would be bouncing only from the edges. For the paddle bouncing, we still have to code for it.
Okay.
Kushal, you are done?
Yes, I'm just following whatever.
Okay.
I
But you are making the same thing what Devija is doing?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me go to Sagarika's screen then.
Excuse
Okay.
me,
Sir,
sir.
I didn't get chance.
You did not? Okay, I'll come to your screen then. Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes, Divija.
sir. Can I show the motion of it first? You can see, is it fine or I have to make it to 10?
We will make that decision when we start the game. Okay. All right. That time I'll give you an opportunity to change whatever you want to do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's first build the program.
Yeah.
And most probably, I think on Friday when we play the game, that time it will be fun. Okay. All right. Today we are just making the program. But do save it. Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Uh, okay.
Okay.
All right. So what all things you have coded? If this is done, okay, very good. So
I
now
was
you're
going to code for that bouncing.
okay, very good. So then you have to go to sensing, very nice. If touching,
Hmm.
paddle, then you have to point in a different direction. Then go to motion, point in direction. Then whichever direction you want ball to point, you can say. Okay, and then put this into a forever loop.
Excuse
It's
me.
not going.
Yeah, but let's put it in a forever loop first.
Excuse me, sir.
I'll just come, just give me 1 second and put a green flag and now try it.
Yeah.
Okay, but your ball is very fast. Okay, so you have to see. Okay, or make changes to your move steps. Okay, for the paddle. Okay, who wants to share next?
Sir, I'll share.
Okay, Sagarika.
Can we take some time? This is a lot of wastage of time.
Okay,
What?
For some time we have for Karans, then for some time Sagarika, and then some time like that.
so
But
you
what?
so do you want to like share screen or not, Divija?
No, sir, I want to share screen, but I am saying that again and again in 2 minutes, it's taking it's a lot of
Okay,
wasting time. No?
okay. So we'll do it after every 5 minutes.
Yes, after 10 to 15 minutes, like that, 5.
Okay, but then someone else may be fallen behind, right? Then we have to wait a lot for him to catch up.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Please tell me, Sagarika.
Sir, sir, should I show you?
Yeah, please show me. Yours is very smooth. Good. Okay, very nice. Okay, now you know what needs to be done. We will have a red line at the bottom. If the ball is going to touch that red line, we have done a game like that, right? Earlier.
Yeah.
If the ball is going to touch a red line, then it is game over.
Yeah.
So we'll select line from the sprite, right?
From sprite, or we can through
Yeah, there
paint,
is
we
a
can
line.
paint also, we can create it, right?
I'm doing via line.
Okay.
We'll. Can I just see the line?
Divija, what are you planning to put? A paint over
Wave,
there or a sprite over there?
touching mouse,
So
Okay,
I
that
have a line, and
touching
that's I think good.
ball,
okay. Line is good. All right.
Yeah, this
stop
line.
ball.
Okay.
Yeah, in my previous project, I was having that line.
Done.
Yeah, rocket and that
Done.
one. I was having a line.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Done. Coding for line.
Okay, Sagarika, now we have to do anytime this particular ball is going to touch, right? Then
Yeah.
we will say stop all and game over.
Okay.
Okay. So we will go to the line. Let's
Yeah.
go to the line
And
and sensing. So who wants to share? Now you are 5 minutes over or not, Sagarika?
Yeah.
I'll share.
Okay, all right. Kushal, you are following?
Yes, sir.
I will come to you. You're doing it, right? Or no? Okay, very nice. Stop all. And can we now also
Yeah,
create
I
a,
am, but
uh-huh. Go ahead, please. Yeah.
but I won't be able to share it because it's on my phone. So
Okay.
yeah.
You are watching on your phone. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's do one thing, Karan. You
Yeah.
remember Divija once created a game over screen as such, a new sprite. That was that was a backdrop, right, Divija? What you
Oh
created?
yeah.
She created on a paint or something.
I can. I'll upload it or no wait.
No, but you can create it using a paint, right?
So which one are you saying?
So last time when you showed me a game, if someone wins the game, you used to show a message, you win or you lost, correct? So that how you created that? So, okay, so what you have to do, go to this text.
So I think first you have to take the costume black drop.
Okay,
At the costume you have to type.
okay,
Yeah,
that's what
wait.
costume you have to do, or you change the backdrop.
Hair.
Okay, no,
Right
but
black drop.
Divya, your school still going on?
No sir, from 1st June it's like over then Saturday.
Okay, so you have holidays now.
Yes.
Okay, till how long?
It's not working.
June and
What do you want to do, Karan?
Black. I want to make this backdrop black.
So then you have to use this paint, right?
I
And
did it like that only, black drop.
Oh no.
Then I think you can take that one, no, fill color one.
That was not working.
That was not working. Okay.
okay, Divija will show how to make it work. Okay. So,
No, what it is.
okay, only ball is visible now. Okay. And then you will write it in red colored, you lost or you lose.
In white color, I think.
White color. Okay. Okay, very nice. Switch backdrop to, yeah. first you have to set the backdrop now, right? So you can select any other backdrop. So let's see which other backdrop you want to set when you start the game. Just select whichever you feel is good. Okay.
So please wait.
Yes.
No, the backdrop is not changing.
Backdrop change, right? When you
It changed, but it didn't come back to that
yeah,
neon
so
tunnel.
when you start your game, you have to set up a backdrop, right? When you start it. No, no, this will not work, Karan.
No.
You will when you start your game, switch backdrop.
Oh, yeah, I understood.
Go to
I know.
looks.
Looks, switch backdrop.
This is costume, no? Switch backdrop.
Switch backdrop.
No,
Neon tunnel.
there would be backdrop over here at the very start. At the very
Where?
start, there would be after green button, right? When we start our game, we want a certain backdrop, correct?
Yeah, I understood. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very good.
No.
How many backdrops you have?
So
Three.
Yes. Just give me 1 second. Let's fix what he is doing. Okay, very nice. It's working. Now who will share?
Sir, I just have to do one small thing and I'll share.
Okay. How about you, Devija?
yes, sir, I can.
Okay. How you did that? How you changed the font?
That is
Okay, you
easy.
selected that. Okay, very good. And this you learnt on your own or what?
I also knew that.
You also know it. Okay. I am the one who does not know. How about you, Sagarika? You can change the font also.
Yeah.
Everyone knows. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, Devija. Okay. Now let's do one thing. We all have done this, right? Now we will make bricks. Do we have a sprite called bricks or not?
No, there is no sprite called that.
No sprite called bricks? Then let's create it using paint. Or if you don't want to create it, just see there was something called button. Will button act like a brick or not? Just search for button. Or we will create our own rectangular bricks if you want. So let's create our own. This may not look good. Let's create our own as such. Okay, so you can delete this one. We'll create our own sprite. Okay. Select the rectangle, sorry. Select the rectangle and fill the color with red. Very nice, very good. Okay. Now let's code for this particular brick. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, Devija.
sir, the brick should be smaller than the paddle, no?
It should be smaller. So we all should use the same brick size. So whatever brick size you are using, the others will also use the same brick size. Okay.
50.
So I am using 50.
Okay.
Same.
Okay. Now let's go to the code for brick. Okay. Now what we need to make sure, whenever our ball is going to touch this particular brick, we have to hide it. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever ball is going to touch the brick, we are going to hide it. So that means that brick has been broken. Correct.
Yeah.
So we'll go to if block first. We'll go to control.
If no,
Then
if
sensing.
sensing, touching
Yeah,
ball,
just drag and drop the touching block.
touching ball, sound,
So ball, very nice.
looks,
Then go to looks.
hide.
Sir, just 1 minute. For the
Uh-huh.
brick, I need to do a little bit more coding.
Yes, I'll come to you. Okay, so let her finish, then I'll come to you. Okay. Then what you have to do, Devija, this you have to put it in a forever loop. Okay. Then when our program start, we want brick to be visible. So we'll say show. Go to looks.
We will not do this one.
We'll do it later. First let's go to looks and say show. And then
On that forever block, right?
before forever block.
Where?
Before forever. And on top of it, put the green flag.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's try to understand what we are saying. When our program start, show me the brick. Okay, so that's why we have show over here. And whenever it is going to touch the ball, hide it. So Divija, you can just check it is working or not. Let me go back to Sagarika's now. Okay.
Okay. She needs to stop sharing.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Divija.
Sir, we have not done anything for line yet. No.
We have done, right? We means Karan did code for lie. So
Okay.
okay, let me go to Sagarika and then I'll come back to you for the line. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I skipped that. Sorry for that.
No problem. Okay, so let me go to her screen,
Yeah.
Sagarika's screen.
Yeah.
But please save it, okay? Because the fun part of it, playing the game, we'll do it in our next class, okay?
Okay.
So where you have reached so far, Sagarika?
Sir, this is for the line.
Okay. If touching ball. Okay. So now for the line, you have.
See.
So now this you have to put it in a forever thing.
Okay.
This coding speed.
Okay. And then if stop all, before that, do you want to show a message? Okay,
Yeah.
before stopping. So that means you probably have to create a new backdrop.
Backdrop. I have already.
Okay, then go to your looks and then select that.
Sir, 1 minute. I'll show you.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Yours
This was just for, I don't know why this is.
okay, but it looks better. Okay. All right. So it's an animated one. Okay. And how you did that, you have to explain us also.
I think
So,
lines.
What
over-
happened?
I think
no,
thin lines over that.
No, so first I took this thing. I made a rectangle or square all around the entire backdrop, and I chose the color black. After that, in text, I wrote game over, and then after that with lines, I made like a cross.
Okay, got it. So it looks like a broken thing. That's good.
Yeah, I tried to make blood dripping here,
Okay.
but it didn't work out so well.
But then you can try it like later. Okay. So let's go back to code.
Now it just looks like India, South
Yes.
India.
Okay. Let's go to code.
Oh wait, not this.
Okay. So which one do you want to code now? You have to go to the line thing, right?
Line. Yeah.
Okay. So looks. Karan, you are doing good.
Yes.
Okay. So this switch backdrop should be before stop all. Stop all is our last thing, right?
Okay.
Okay. And then when we start our game, at that time also we want to have a certain backdrop.
Yeah. So switch backdrop over here to X-ray grid.
Okay. And then you'll put a green flag on the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's discuss what all things we will do in our next class so that we can continue this game. Okay.
Okay.
So who is going to share the screen?
So,
Yes, Divija.
Sir, I am not doing from keyboard, I am doing from mouse.
Okay, no problem. You can do with mouse also.
sir,
Yes, Divija.
the line one I have to do.
Yeah, please show me your screen.
Yeah.
Okay. For the line when it is okay. So we'll say if first drag and drop the if block from control.
If this
Yes, yes, if. Then go to sensing. The first one, touching. Okay, very good. If it is touching the ball, then we will change the background first. To go to looks, you have created your own background. We'll say switch backdrop to, yes. Okay, select your backdrop. Okay, very nice. And then we will stop everything. Okay, so go to scroll down. Yes, stop everything. Very first thing, we will have a different background to start with before if, right? So go to looks again, say switch backdrop to, okay, and then go to your green flag. Sorry, you did not put forever. Sorry, I missed that. Okay, very good. No, your backdrop would be before that, forever. 6 p.m. Sagarika.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now let's try to understand also, Divija, what we have done. When we start our program, switch backdrop to XY grid. Okay. Then anytime this is going to touch, then we are going to stop it. Okay. Now let's go full screen. And now I want to tell you what we will do next week. Just click on play button. Your brick is okay. And do not do anything. Okay. What we will do next week. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Yeah, Karan.
I can show you mine.
Okay, Karan, you show me yours.
I have done with mouse.
Okay, but all right. Okay, so we'll see who is going to win the game. Okay, so now let's try to understand what game is all about. So do not play
Okay.
it for the time being. Let's stop it. Okay. Like right now we have one brick. Okay. All of you will create 10 bricks. We'll do it on Friday. Okay.
Okay.
Then the other two, like when we are doing it on current screen, Sagarika and Divija will decide where to place these bricks. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will have a counter over here, which is going to get incremented every 1 second. Okay. And then there would be a treasure somewhere over here, here. So that is something which will be decided by Divija and Sagarika.
Me.
So the whole idea is in the least possible time, if this ball is able to hit that particular treasure, that person wins the game. You with me?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone now has to code in such a way that you have to win the game. Okay, so some people can make this paddle movement as 20, some can make it 15. Some can make the ball movement very slow. If you make the ball movement
I
very
am doing
slow,
with mouse.
okay, you can do it with mouse. Okay, if you do ball movement slow, this means the counter will go fast as such, because counter will get incremented every 1 second. Okay, so Friday when we meet, we are going to continue. Okay, but save this game. Do you guys know how to save it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So Friday, same time. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
Divija, any questions?
No.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for joining. Thank you, Sagarika. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Kushal. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. But don't do any coding as of now. Okay, only on Friday.